Hello everyone, my name is Eric Vega, and I'm here July 28th in Mountain Home, Idaho, and this is my experiment. So what I decided to do was I did normal sunlight exposure, and then I did samples in complete darkness, and then an artificial light source. So we'll start with the ones in the dark. Those ended up not really growing at all. A couple of them kind of grew a little bit, not much. But yeah, a lot of them ended up crumbling up, or just they ended up smelling bad as well. Then we have our artificial light source, which actually these are a lot bigger than what they were when I recorded them. The actual sizes of them are probably about half when I finished the actual experiment. They just continued to grow because I had them left out. But the artificial ones grew pretty well. They didn't grow as large as the ones in full sunlight exposure, but they grew pretty well, and they had some leaves on them. Some of them, excuse me, didn't end up growing at all, and just kind of crumpled up as well. And then we have our normal sunlight exposure. They ended up growing a lot faster at a quicker rate than the artificial, and obviously the ones in the dark. They grew pretty large as well, about half of this. They grew some leaves on them as well. They grew pretty fast, and some of them did crumble up as well. Not all of them grew. I mean, that was kind of expected, but overall, I think this experiment was a success. I was trying to figure out if the ones in the dark would grow at all. I've heard that some of them are able to germinate in complete darkness, which they kind of did, but not very well at all. So, thank you very much, and have a good day.